Hi everybody and welcome to the complete augmented reality gaming developer course. We will code here several augmented reality apps from scratch, and before we're gonna have a look at what we are doing here exactly, I want to demonstrate you the two special features of this course. So first, the target of this course is to create an augmented reality multiplayer game. That means we can initialize the multiplayer gaming map in the real world, and then you can play in AR against your friends, so in the living room, in the garden or wherever you want. At this time, augmented reality multiplayer games are extremely rare. You can only find a handful of them in the stores at all. Secondly, it doesn't matter if you are using an iPhone or an Android device. The apps we will code here from scratch are running on iOS and on Android. This is because we will use a special API from Unity, the so-called AR interface that combines AR Core from Google and AR Kit from Apple in just one scene. That means you have to write the code only once, and nevertheless you can use this for the App Store and the Google Play Store. In order to create the main app, so the multiplayer AR game, we will need a lot of knowledge about augmented reality and multiplayer games. Therefore, we will start with the basics of augmented reality per se. For example, by having a look at different possibilities how we can initialize the AR content in the real world by creating a car app in augmented reality. There we can generate automatically planes, and on that we can place the car. The color of the car we can change as well. We will create a markerless life-size helicopter app where we can control the helicopter with UI buttons. And furthermore, we will need all the basics of multiplayer games. We will learn them by creating a multiplayer tank game for PC from scratch. And this we will build up step by step until we can display the game in augmented reality. So summarized, we will learn here all the basics of augmented reality combined with multiplayer. If you are interested in creating apps like this, then it would be nice to see you again in the first lecture.